Soundstripe.
Hi guys, welcome back to Circle Saturday. In today's video, it's a simple DIY. We are going to make scrunchies. We are going to use satin fabric because we know satin is really good for your hair. So this scrunchie using satin fabric, you can also use on your natural hair or when you have braids. The measurements, we are going to measure the width 4 inches and the length is going to be 21 to 24. So you can use 21 inches or 24 inches. We're also going to need an elastic, and our elastic is 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches. You're going to fold. This is the wrong side. This is the top side. You're going to fold it and sew a straight stitch of half an inch from here all the way down. Elastic, pin it again, then you're going to insert it all the way round, but you're going to have to hold on to this and don't let it go. You're going to sew over here to put these two together. If you have a zigzag stitch, you can also use that. If you're using a straight stitch, you're going to make several straight stitches so that they don't loosen up. So this is what you have after finishing. So what you do at the end, you're going to tuck this in. You're going to take one side and tuck it in on the other side, like this. Simple. See? So you can decide to sew over here with the machine, but you are going to hand stitch it. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.
Yeah.